What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore the Topping Mini 300 Compact Desktop Power Amplifier. And I have to tell you, this little device has truly impressed me. As someone who's passionate about high-quality audio, I was excited to dive in and see what it has to offer. So, let's get started and take a closer look at what makes the Mini 300 so special. First off, let's talk about the balanced architecture and sound of the Mini 300. Inside, this compact amplifier runs a fully balanced Class D circuit, which means each channel has its own complete amplification path. This eliminates crosstalk and rejects external noise before it ever touches your speakers, resulting in an ultra-quiet floor with an impressive 124 dB SNR and less than 15 UVRMS of noise. What this means for you is that the only thing you'll hear is the music itself, smooth, transparent, and effortlessly controlled. Whether you're a music enthusiast or an audiophile, this level of sound quality is sure to impress. Another key feature that really stands out is the ultra-low distortion of the Mini 300. With distortion levels close to high-end reference standards, this amplifier is capable of faithfully reproducing every musical detail. Whether it's subtle instrumental nuances, delicate vocals, or large-scale dynamic music, the Mini 300 delivers. With a THD+N of less than 0.0004% at 8 ohms and 5 W, this amplifier is truly in a class of its own. The result is enhanced depth and a higher level of audio fidelity that will take your music listening experience to the next level. But what really sets the Mini 300 apart is its multi-scenario high-power output. This little amplifier can deliver up to 140W x 2 into 4 ohms at 10% THD+N and still provide 125W x 2 into 4 ohms even at 1% THD+N. This combination of high power and high fidelity makes the Mini 300 more than capable of meeting the demanding audio requirements of hi-fi music listening or professional monitoring. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or gaming, the Mini 300 has the power and finesse to deliver an exceptional audio experience. In addition to its impressive audio capabilities, the Mini 300 also offers a range of convenient features that make it easy to use and integrate into your system. The rear panel accepts both balanced TRS and unbalanced RCA inputs, with no adapters needed, offering better rejection of interference for longer cable runs. The front switch allows you to easily flip between BL and SE to match your source, making it simple to connect and start listening. And with the 12V trigger input, the Mini 300 can power on and off in sync with your DAC or preamp, eliminating the need to reach behind your stack or fumble for switches. So what does all this mean for you? The Topping Mini 300 Compact Desktop Power Amplifier is an exceptional device that offers a unique combination of high-quality audio, convenience, and power. Whether you're a music enthusiast, an audiophile, or just someone who appreciates great sound, the Mini 300 is sure to impress. With its ultra-low distortion, multi-scenario high-power output, and convenient features, this amplifier is the perfect addition to any audio system. So, if you're looking to take your music listening experience to the next level, be sure to check out the Topping Mini 300. Find the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't be disappointed.